buy my rocks again?
Okay, so you just saw my shipment of my favorite agate, Picacho agates, come in. We have a lot of rapid fire cut and reveals to get through throughout this whole video, so let's get started. Fractured, stained. First one. Might polish up okay, might toss it in the tumbler. Oh, that's cute. A little bit of a cloudy specimen, kind of reminds me of a planetary agate. Side is night and day. Got really close to the matrix on this side. Some more of the depth. Really close to that husk. Ah, I love that. That's some nice color. Quartz on one side, no quartz on that side. I think they're pretty even, but it doesn't always happen the way you want it. I like it. Ha! That was a mess. Kind of like a Picacho moss agate. Very quartzy. Very faint floaters. Ha! Oh, favorite one so far. That is awesome. That's a great druzy pocket. Great color. Wonderful. Nice parallax bands on the outside. Lots of clay in there. Let's get this cleaned off, see what it looks like. Lots of red. Huh. Alright, I haven't seen one like this before. So stained red, I love that. The outside looks really cool too, and I almost cut straight through there. This one went super fast. Not surprised. Let's clean this out. Yeah, this one's interesting. Might throw it in the tumbler. Second to last. It's got this window right there, big window. Let's see. Huh. Wow, I guess that was a really big window right there too. Layer, 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 layer. This reminds me of a calandria agate that I cut open. Tell this one because it was really dark on the outside. Kill the band-aid. Yeah, it went really fast. I'm not surprised. This one just went. Alright. Should I cut one more? Just one? Okay, don't know how I feel about that. Huh. That looks like a thunder egg. Interesting. Cool. Anyways, so for this video, stay tuned for